Yo ho ho! Pirate Ashton here today, and I thought I'd show you how to make a Socktopus. Come and look at my little Socktopus family. They're so excited to meet you all. Here they are. Oh, aren't they beautiful? Little Socktopuses, just for you to make a home. Come and join me and make one with me. Arr. So, what are you gonna need to make this Socktopus? Well, you're gonna need an old sock, scissors, something to stuff it with, so I'm gonna use either tissue or cotton wool or bog roll. That'll work. You need some paper and a black pen to draw the eyes with, a bit of glue, and some string or an elastic band. Go and get them now! Now! By the way, it's very important. It must be an old sock, or I'll get in lots of trouble from your mums, dads, and whoever's at home with you. And I don't want that to happen, because I'm a bit scared of him. So now we are ready to begin. Get your sock, and you're going to cut it off. You're going to cut it where the heel would go, where your foot would go. Here, you see? Here. So get your scissors and cut. Cutting, pirates like cutting, cut it off. Maybe not. Off. Now, you don't need this bit with the two holes in. You can give that as a present. You can tell people it's a nice fingerless glove or something like that. But you don't need that for now, so chuck it away. This is the bit you need. Isn't it lovely? Now, with some cotton wool or some tissue paper or toilet roll or even another sock, you shove this into the end of the sock like that. Push it really, really far down so it makes a nice little head for your Socktopus. Yeah. Then you'll need to find something to tie it with. I'm going to use an elastic band, but you can use string or cotton or spaghetti? I don't know. So, you should have the head tied to your Socktopus like this. That looks really good. Now we're gonna make his arms. Arms! Oh, that's funny. To make his arms, you just get your scissors and you cut up the sock like this. And then you turn it round, and on the other side, you do the same. Now you will have two pieces. So that will only make 2 arms. But an octopus has got 8, and your Socktopus has got to have 8 too. So, cut those in half again. This is fun. I'll be back in a minute. Ta-da! Now I've got 4. Guess what we do now? Bit of maths here. Are you listening, Mrs. Franks? A bit of maths. You're gonna cut those in half again. And then your Socktopus will have 8 arms. And what's good about the sock is they curl up on their own, so it gives him a lovely little spring in his step. Cut. And there we have it. He's nearly ready to go swim with his friends. But you gotta make some eyes for him. And all you'll need to do is draw some eyes on some paper. I'm gonna use one of these old envelopes that's got a bill in from school. But you can use anything you want. I got a black pen, a black marker, but you can use a pencil, a crayon, or even an eyeliner pencil. I've drawn some crazy eyes. Now I'm going to cut them out and glue them on my Socktopus. gluing on the eyes, gluing on the eyes. Da 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 da. Here is the Socktopus. Ooh, 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 wada, 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 ba, ba, ba. Swim, 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 swim. If you've got buttons at home, you could maybe glue buttons on instead of cutting eyes out of paper. Of course, you can always decorate them in any way you want.
Oh, hello. I'm a little girl octopus, and I'm very beautiful. Ooh.
Decorate them in any way you can, and please show me a picture if you do make your own Socktopus. Have fun. Bye from Pirate Ashton. Arr.